Hello everyone, welcome to Panama City Beach. We're out here camping. And of course, you know, I brought some RCs. We're gonna run the Lasernut. Alright, contrary to popular belief, not everything in Florida is flat. I know Tug Hill RC said he wanted to see me run up the hill. I think this is about the best we can do here. I'm hitting that dang tree. I need to find a way through. See if we can maneuver this up. Man, I keep getting that dang tree. There we go. Oh no! If this was more clear, this probably would be a better. Woo, we made it. The Lasernut for the win. Oh man, I hope I don't have to go on a recovery mission. Heck yeah. There you go, Tug. We got some rock climbing for you. Yeah, I might be on a recovery mission here. See, these things are freaking like trees, man. Freaking ridiculous. Let's see. Serious. I know it's supposed to be like a rock racer, but I don't really have much in the way of rocks. Man, freaking trees, man. Let's see if we can find something a little better to run this thing at. Haha, that was pretty cool. I can't go too fast. Well guys, you know, all I can do is the best I can when we're camping. I can't control the terrain. All I can do is bring a variety of cars, which I got for the different kinds of surfaces that we might encounter. I was really hoping for something kind of rocky out here. But nah. Ooh, this looks like it might be something. Ah, yeah, with ease. With ease. That doesn't help, does it? Damn, man, that stick was wearing into the damn axle. Uh-oh. Check it out, man. You can really just see the suspension working here. That's freaking cool. Yeah, I feel I gotta turn the brakes up on this. Look how long it takes. One of these days I'll find something rocky, but I think this is pretty cool. This is the perfect RC for this hill. Yeah, I'm liking this. Woo! What else you can do when you go camping? Gotta bring the RCs. Never know when you find something. Might be the perfect bashing spot. Unfortunately, the ramp's too big for me to bring, but man, let's try some stuff over here. Might have some good stuff. Might even be able to get a good jump out of this. Nah, no jump. Oh yeah, we almost did it. We almost got to jump out of the road. Oh, and this doesn't have any fucking roof guards. Damn. Let's see if we... Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Damn, what the hell am I stuck on? Whoa. Heck yeah, this thing is soaking this stuff up. Look how ruddy and stuff. Ah la la. Dang. Oh, what the heck? Damn, they put that freaking netting down. Damn. That's what I got caught up on. Where do they get that freaking netting at? So don't catch that shit again. Well, I guess it was just a fluke. I caught that because I don't see anywhere where they put that. Generally they do that for like erosion control, like they seed or something like that. They try to oh. That was freaking cool. Oh, this thing's perfect for out here, man. It's all bumpy and stuff. This thing is soaking it up. Tug said he wanted to see some sand fly, so here you go. Oh man, man, the laser nut. This is one of those ones I wouldn't have bought if it wasn't on sale, but man, I'm glad I have it, man. I really tried to resist the urge to bring the larger RCs because they just eat up so much room. So this is like the biggest one I brought. Spoiler alert. Oh, that's where the freaking netting is. We just found it. Here it is, right friggin' here. Here it is. Hey, now that I know, we're gonna avoid this. Oh, like I said, guys, sorry. It's I want to bring content. I don't want to go like a week and not have anything. So all I can do is bring the RCs and try to do the best I can. I hope you enjoy watching the laser nut. Something's up with the steering now, man. They ain't steering with the... God damn. Found more of that netting. I guess I just won't be running right here. Jeez Louise, man, I hate this stuff. This stuff got into the back wheel of my X-Max and destroyed a bearing. Yeah, look at that, man. It's all... I'm gonna have to get back and take these wheels off and try to get this stuff out of there. Well, guys, I don't want to ruin the bearings, so I had to happen. Oh, look at this, man. Oh, freak. Alright, like I said, I need to go take the wheels off because I don't want that stuff getting hot and melting like it did on the X-Max. But man, good times with the laser nut here out here. Hope you enjoyed watching it run. It really is a cool RC. And I just said I didn't want to heat stuff up, and here I am. I can't help myself. That's what I got these for, is to have fun. Alright, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching the laser nut run out here on the beach. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. It is greatly appreciated. Please leave a like, share this with your friends, comment. Helps me out tremendously. Links down below. Got you some cool discounts and ways to help the channel. Alright, guys, until next time, go get your RC, have some fun, and we'll catch you on the next one.